Today, All Bodo Students Union across Assam, in all the districts, we have organized a 3-hour sit-in demonstration program, and in connection to demands related to Bodo language in Assam and Bodo medium and also provincialization of venture institutions, we have taken this initiative because time and again there have been many times of negotiations and many times of representations to resolve the Bodo language issues in various academic related and job related opportunities that Bodo candidates are being deprived. For example, we have demanded in Assam Judicial Services in grade 3 mains examination paper 5 is a language paper where Bodo language is not offered as an option. So therefore, the Bodo candidates from Bodo medium background are deprived from achieving the judicial services job in Assam. And also, we have CTET exam every year whereby there is no language option as a language 1. Bodo being a recognized and scheduled language, that is a deprivation towards the candidates eligible for teaching as a teacher in the Bodo medium schools. So this is why we feel that we are being deprived from our right to equality. And apart from that, we also see that government of Assam has promised us through the negotiation in the previous days, in numerous times, that there will be a new high school established, and we have submitted 35 locations and 35 demands of new high schools wherever there is no high school. And then we also demanded for 101 high schools to be upgraded to higher secondary schools, and this initiative is till now not implemented. Again, as we all know, no new education policy is in implementation in Assam, whereby while implementing this, there is a upgradation process of high school to higher secondary. So Bodo department, Bodo medium is also getting this opportunity, but without teachers. So that is why we want Assam government to create new post regarding postgraduate teachers in the higher secondary standard. And also we have other degree colleges where additional Bodo departments are required and additional posts are required, which is a need of the time because there are huge number of enrollments and the colleges are suffering, and also Bodo students are suffering there, and many degree colleges are also suffering out of lack of teachers. Apart from that, we see in the university level also, we have Bodo department in Dibrugarh and Guwahati University. We demand more faculty there from professor to associate to assistant professor. And also, while we understand that Bodoland University campus is underway in Udalguri, and we demand for immediate operationalization of this campus from the next academic session, and also creation of more departments in Bodoland University along with teaching and non-teaching staff that is to be recruited in Bodoland University. And we have BB Engineering College at Kokrazar, where we demanded from previous times that new departments to be introduced and sanction of faculty posts are required in this engineering college. And that is how we feel that higher education level also we are deprived. And in academic standard, we have today school secondary education board in Assam, where we don't have a Bodo academic officer to look up after the Bodo medium issues. We don't have in SCRT lecturer for Bodo medium, and also we don't have in textbook publication the Bodo officer who looks after the Bodo textbook issues. And now there are also huge pending issues in connection to BTR Accord. We have a provision to provincialize the venture institutions, venture schools, all mediums in BTR according to 6.3 clause, and Bodo medium in Assam part, and that is still pending. And while our schools, venture schools, and our students in the venture schools are being deprived of the right to education because they don't get sufficient textbooks, they don't get quality assessment. Now the Gunotsav is going on. They don't get midday meal facilities, and that is a sheer violation of the right to education and right to food, because the students studying in these venture schools are nowhere found in India. It is only found in Assam, and therefore it is the duty of the Assam government to provincialize and take over these schools as a government schools, and then provide the students the facilities and rights so that we are secured under the fundamental right of our constitution. And that is how we like to demand that there are many other numerous issues that comes up in connection with the standard of progress of education which are still pending in Assam. So like we have Bodo medium background teachers from the other mediums who are being posted across Assam, we want them to be placed in Bodo medium schools. We want non-Bodo medium background teachers from Bodo medium schools to be taken back to other schools wherever there are Assamese medium vacancies. Apart from this, We also have many vacancies in the existing schools across BTR and Bodo medium schools in Assam. Because of that vacancy, today there are hardships that higher secondary to high school to LP, the Bodo medium candidates, students are being deprived of the right to education because they do not have a sufficient number of teachers. And that is how we demand the government of Assam that there are 25 demands we are today raising in this memorandum to Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, because he is also aware, all the education department and the education minister himself is also aware that in Assam, Bodo is one of the medium of instruction till higher secondary standard, and also we have university level departments and people are doing research on Bodo with the Bodo language. We are being awarded nationally in the Sahitya Academy equally in the UPSC and APSC exam. We are given opportunity to use this language, but we are being deprived in the basic academic growth and basic participation of opportunity of job, where we are having the right to equality to participate in the competition of jobs in the judicial services, because of only the negligence that still now the Assam is not taking importance to the progress and the participation of Bodo language as also a Bodo medium issues that are being pending in the state of Assam.